Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. And when we do this, it's going to be really clear what we need to capitalize and what we don't need to capitalize. And I'm going to explain how. So let's go on. So, proper nouns are nouns that name a specific person, place, thing. They could name a specific day of the week, or the specific month, or a specific holiday. Now, common nouns are just nouns we use every day to describe things like chair, table, store, restaurant. So let's look a little bit deeper. A common noun would be person. But if I'm talking about a specific person, then it turns into a proper noun. So instead of saying doctor, I could say Dr. Smith. Instead of saying teacher, I could say Mrs. Jones. Those are proper nouns that I need to capitalize. I don't have to capitalize person or doctor or teacher. Now, it's the same thing with places. I could be talking about a specific store like Albertsons or Walmart, or I could be talking about a specific place like Worsham or Clark Elementary, like here in our example. Those are all proper nouns. If I'm just talking about store or school, those are common nouns. I don't need to capitalize. It's the same thing with holidays. Holidays can be, I can say holiday, and that's a common noun. Or I could name a specific holiday like Valentine's Day or Thanksgiving. And this is what gets really confusing, guys. It's also true for objects. I could talk about a specific car, like the Ford F-150, and it becomes a proper noun. I could talk about a specific soda, and it becomes a proper noun, like Pepsi or Coke. So remember, proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. Common nouns are just everyday words we use for nouns. They're not specific to a certain person, place, or thing. Now let's practice a little in case that wasn't clear. So my common noun over here is teacher. That could be just any old teacher, right? My teacher assigns homework. My teacher does this. But if I'm talking about a specific teacher, like let's just, for example, say Miss Lovo, that turns into a proper noun that I need to capitalize. I'm not talking about any teacher. I'm talking about Miss Lovo. And it's the same thing with students. So I have many students in my class, or I could be talking about a specific student. So student is the common noun. And let's pretend I have a student named Kyle. That would be the proper noun that I need to capitalize. You notice how I capitalize the beginning of each proper noun. Now, it's the same thing with places like a restaurant. Restaurant is my common noun. I could be talking about any restaurant. Now, let's say I was going to go eat dinner at McDonald's. I would have to capitalize that specific restaurant because it is a proper noun. It's the name of a specific restaurant. And it's the same thing with schools. School is a common noun, but if I'm talking about a specific school, like let's say Worsham Elementary, then it becomes a proper noun that I need to capitalize. Now, it's the same thing with holidays. I could be talking about any holiday. Oh, I can't wait for the next holiday. That's a common noun. But if I'm talking about a specific holiday, like let's say what just passed on Saturday, Halloween, I would have to capitalize it. And it's the same for Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Christmas, all of the holidays. If I'm talking about a specific holiday, I need to capitalize it because it's a proper noun. And this is what students get really confused on too. When we're talking about objects, if it's a specific object or specific brand, then I have to capitalize it because it's a proper noun. So let's say I don't like to buy any soda. Soda is my common noun. Let's say I want to buy a specific soda like Coca-Cola. I would have to capitalize that. Now, let's say I don't shop at any store. Let's say I need to go to Walmart specifically. I would have to capitalize Walmart because that's my proper noun. All right, guys. So just remember, common nouns are just any old nouns, any old person, place, or thing. Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. I hope that's clear. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.